Very good morning, dear guys. Today we are going to continue the same story, that is a triumph of surgery. A triumph of surgery written by James Herriot. Okay, James Herriot, as I told you, is the surgeon, the doctor, and the speaker of this story. Okay, so here in our last one class we have seen that once the writer James Herriot was going somewhere in his car. Suddenly he saw the Tricky, means the dog Tricky, with his mistress in the street. So when he saw the dog, he was surprised, shocked to see the condition of the dog. Yes, it was hugely fat, which made worried to the doctor. So there he inquired something about the dog. There is a little bit conversation between Mrs. Pumphrey and the Dr. James Herriot. So here let's see what happened there later on. So here the doctor said, or he had written here that I tried to sound severe. I tried. Look at the page number 2. Okay, as the page number 1 is completed, so now look at in the page number 2. At the page number 2, I tried to sound severe. I tried to sound severe. Severe, that means serious. Yes, here the writer, or what can I say, the Dr. James Herriot tried to be serious, straight. Why? Because he knew that this fatness, one day this fatness would kill the dog. He knew it very well. And that's why he became serious and said, now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. Look at there. He clearly told the lady, becoming serious, severe, he said, or he told the lady, then he really meant this. This means the condition of the dog. There he said, yes, actually he wanted to tell her that if she did not cut his food, right down, and gave him some more exercise, अगर उसको कुछ ज़्यादा exercise नहीं दिए और food अगर cut नहीं किए, so he was going to be really ill. सह में वो बीमार हो जाएगा. The doctor warned, actually simply we can say the doctor warned the lady. Yes, you must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. So here the doctor advised the lady or warned the lady, she must harden her heart. उसने अपने आप को हार्डन करना चाहिए, कठोर करना चाहिए, मतलब कठोर करो. And keep him means the dog, keep the dog on a very strict diet. Look at here, he talked about strict diet. Yes, so here the writer James Herriot, the Dr. James Herriot warned the lady to cut down his food right now and follow the strict diet. And look at there, this is what the doctor advised the lady. Okay, इस तरह से उस डॉक्टर ने उस लेडी को एडवाइस किया. Besides, और what can say कि even he warned her, साथ ही साथ उसने उस लेडी को warn भी किया. Okay, अब देखो क्या होता है. Mrs. Pumphrey wrung her hands. रंग यानी हाथ जो मसलना होता है, that is called रंग, squeeze. Okay, रंग, squeeze. Okay, she squeezed her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Herriot. I am sure you are right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. Look at there, how she loved the dog, How she loved the dog that she even unable, means she clearly told that it is really impossible or difficult for her to cut down his food, Yes, it was very difficult for her, but there she says, oh, I will. There she promised the doctor, I am sure you are right. Yes, there she said, yes, she was sure that the doctor was right. But there she said it was difficult for her. It was so difficult for her. There she said, frankly. So, and then she set off. Okay, और फिर वहां से निकल गई. Yes, head down. She set off. वहां से निकली, बट कैसे? Head down. Why? Because she realized her mistake. What she had done with the dog. What she had done to the dog. She realized her mistake, and along the road she set off, as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Yes, and it seemed that she is determined. Means here the doctor said, she went off as if she determined to cut down his food. Yes, new regime, एक नया regime, नया कार्यकाल शुरू होगा. Immediately cutting down his food and all. Exercise would be given. ये सब सारी चीज होगी, ऐसा राइटर को लगा, डॉक्टर को. इस प्रकार से वो वहां से निकल गई. Then I watched their progress with growing concern. Yes, with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Look at that. Growing means here there says I watched their progress. Means there the writer stopped there in the street and watched them going far or going away. Yes, उनको देखते रहा दूर जाते हुए. Their progress, but in concern, growing concern, एक चिंता के साथ कि देखो कैसी इनकी हालत है, कैसी इस डॉग की हालत है. And look at there, he mentioned that Tricky was tottering means लड़खड़ाते हुए चलना. Yes, wobble. So the dog Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. छोटा सा एक रफ कोट उसने पहना हुआ था. In that little tweed coat he was tottering. Yes, wobbling, वो लड़खड़ाते हुए चल रहा था. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats. And look at that here, then talked about the luxurious life of the dog. He had many coats. He had many more coats in the wardrobe. Yes, उसका जो wardrobe है, the dog has his own wardrobe. उसका अपना खुद का एक wardrobe है, where there are several coats. बहुत सारे coats हैं वहाँ पर. Besides, look at then the description of the coats is also given there. For the cold weather, a raincoat. For the wet days, means all types of coats are there in his wardrobe. Winter coats, rainy coats, means raincoats, winter coats, means each type of coat is there. Each type of coats is there in his wardrobe. उसके wardrobe में हर प्रकार के coats वहाँ मौजूद थे. He struggled on. Why? Because of fatness. He was unable to walk on easily. Yes, he troubled. He was facing trouble to walk on. He was struggling. Yes, and that's why here he said the dog was tottering. Yes, he was struggling on. Drooping in his harness. Drooping means bending down. नीचे down bend होते जा रहा था. Bending down, drooping. Drop होता है ना जैसे नीचे. So like that, drooping down. Why? Because of fatness. Yes, he was unable to walk on. मतलब चल नहीं पा रहा था, इतना ज़्यादा वो फैट हो चुका था, एंड दैट्स वाई हिज हेड वाज जस्ट ड्रॉपिंग डाउन, यस ड्रॉपिंग डाउन in his harness. Harness means the chain that is chained to his neck. उसकी नेक को जो चैन बंधी होती है या फिर जो बेल्ट बोलते हैं उसे कहा जाता है हार्नेस. यस, सो ही वॉज ड्रूपिंग इन हिज हार्नेस. आई थॉट इट वुडंट बी लॉन्ग बिफोर आई हर्ड फ्रॉम मिसिस पंपरी. And there he thought, there Dr. Heriot thought that definitely within few days he would get a call from the lady Mrs. Pumphrey. And it happened. उसने गेस किया था उस समय कि within few days he will get a call, sorry he would get a call from the lady. He गेस किया ही था कि कुछ ही दिनों के भीतर में इसे कॉल आएगा. And look at what happens then. The expected call came within a few days. Look at there. He said the expected call. The expected call. Yes. Why he said there the expected call? Because he knew the condition of the dog and he guessed within few days the lady would make it. The lady would call for him. Yes, and yes. The expected call came. Expected call came within a few days. कुछ ही दिनों में इसको देखो कॉल आ भी गया. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. Distraught means she was frustrated. She was serious, worried. She was distraught. Yes, Tricky would eat nothing. Yes, why? And why she was worried? Because the dog Tricky would eat nothing. Yes, why she was distraught or why she was worried? Why she was worried? Because the dog Tricky would eat nothing. Refused even his favorite dishes. Favorite dishes, as we have seen, like cream cakes and so many things are there that he denied. Means now he denied to have these favorite dishes, sweets and many more. Why? Because he was really ill now. So then let's see what happens there as he received the expected call, and now Mrs. Pumphrey was worried. Yes, she was serious about the dog. She was frustrated there. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes like many more that we have seen, even the sweets like cream cakes and chocolates. Yes, and then beside of these he was not eat he refused to eat anything. He refused to eat anything. Besides, he had bouts of vomiting. Bouts of vomiting means fit of vomiting. Fit of vomiting means daure, vomiting. Okay, he was continuously doing vomiting. Who? The dog, which made the lady worried. Okay, so he spent all his time laying on a rug, panting, haklana, sighing. Okay, deep breathing, haklana. Okay, haklana actually, sorry, हापना. जब सांस लेना गहरी लेते हैं तो जैसे हापते, that is called panting. So here the dog was doing nothing except laying on a rug. जो चिंदियों के जो कपड़े होते हैं, जो बिस्तर जैसे होता है, चादर वगैरह जैसे बोलेंगे, उसके ऊपर वो बस लेटे रहता, बाकी कुछ नहीं. Even he denied to have anything. Even he refused to eat his favorite dishes and just remain on the rug. Which made the lady worried, distraught and panting. Didn't want to go for walks. Why? Because he was so fat, hugely fat. Didn't want to do anything. कुछ भी नहीं करना चाहता था. So this is, in this para actually it is talking about the serious condition. Yes, serious condition of the dog. Yes, serious condition of the dog, or what we can say, the illness of the dog. Illness of the dog. Okay, this is what the writer talked about here in this para. Yes, in this para, the doctor talked about the serious condition of the dog, the serious illness of the dog. Yes, and there he said he had refused even to eat his favorite dishes. He would eat nothing. He would do nothing, just remain on a rug, panting. So, and even besides all those, there he was continuously suffering from vomiting also. Means he was giving continuously fits of vomiting. Yes, so this is what he had, bouts of vomiting. So this way it was the condition of the dog which made the lady worried, made her to call for the doctor. So this condition, serious condition of the dog, made the lady call for the doctor. Okay, और यही कंडीशन ने उसने डॉक्टर को कॉल करने मजबूर किया. Okay, and then let's see what happens there then. I had made my plans in advance, and here the doctor said, as he knew very well what to do, or as he knew very well that he would expect, or there would be a call from the lady. As he knew very well, he had already made a plan in advance. He had already planned in advance. He had already a plan. Yes, or there were plans in his mind already, which he made in advance. Advance में इन्होंने एक प्लान बना के plans बना के रख दिए थे. And what were they? Look at there. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. And the first one plan of him was to take him away. Take him out of the house. House of the lady. House of the lady. For a period means for some time. This was the first one plan of the doctor made for the dog to cure him. Okay. Second was, I suggested that if he be hospitalized for about a fortnight, to be kept under observation. And then whatever the next plans, we will see, it is given later on. But here the first one plan that he made was to take him out of the house of the lady. उस लेडी के घर से उसे बाहर लेके जाना. To his own surgery. So he decided to take the dog to his own surgery. Yes, it was his first plan that he had already made in advance. Okay, then let's see what happens there. And here, when he was called for, there he suggested that lady, the dog should be hospitalized. The dog should be hospitalized for about a fortnight. The second one advice his plan. Okay, what was that? The suggestion that the dog should be hospitalized. Should be hospitalized for a fortnight. Okay, for a fortnight means near about 14 or 15 days. 14-15 दिन के लिए, या फिर fortnight 14 दिन के लिए तो भी वो या फिर फोर्टनाइट एक्चुअली 15 कहते हैं. 15 दिन का काल जो होता है उसे हम फोर्टनाइट कहते हैं. सो इट मस्ट बी हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड फॉर 14 days or 15 days. It must be hospitalized for 15 days. Okay, sorry, we should say he must be hospitalized for 15 days. Yes, it was another plan the doctor had made. ये दूसरा प्लान है जो उन्होंने किया था कि he would give the suggestion to the lady that the dog should be hospitalized for a fortnight. Why? To be kept under observation. Okay, to be kept under observation. Okay, so this was his plan that he made in advance. Okay, now let's see what happens there then. And the poor lady almost swooned, fainted, बेहोश हो गई. When she heard that she had to be separated, she had to be live away, or she had to leave the dog for some days. So when she heard this, she became swooned. That means fainted. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. And why? Why she became fainted? Because she was sure that the dog would not live a day without seeing the lady. Without seeing the lady, the dog would die. There she had this belief. She thought that the dog would pine. Pine means बेचैन होना, pine. Okay, बेचैन. So did you understand the plan the doctor had in his mind in advance? Yes. That question can be there. What was the plan of the dog, or what were the plans of the dog? What were the plans of the doctor to cure the dog? That he made in advance. So these were the plans, these two plans. Okay, first one, to take him out of the house of the lady. Second one, to keep him under his observation in his surgery for a fortnight. So it was the plan or these were the plans of doctor that he made in advance. And then what happened when he suggested the lady in the same way that he planned? What happened there? The lady swooned. Swooned, that means fainted. वो थोड़ी देर के लिए बेहोश हो गई. And why? Because she thought that the dog would not live without her. He would pine, बेचैन होना, pine. Yes, pine, बेचैन. Okay, बेचैन होना. Okay, so there she thought that the dog would pine and die without seeing the lady every day. उसको हर दिन बिना देखे वो मर जाएगा अगर नहीं देखा तो. She thought. अब देखो क्या होता है आगे. But I took a firm line. Firm line, that means here the doctor said I was determined. I stuck to my डिसीजन, माई प्लान. मेरा जो प्लान था, जो मेरा डिसीजन था, उसी से मैं जुड़ा रहा. I firmly stuck. The doctor firmly stuck to his plan. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. And there the doctor knew that this was the only way to save the life of the dog. And what was the way? Take him out of the house of that lady. Yes, and keep it under observation for a fortnight. So these were the only way, or these were the only treatments, or what is the plans that he made. So there he says this was the only way to save the life of the dog. Yes, and I thought it best to take him without delay. And there he thought the best would be to take him away without delay. Okay, and this was, he thought, the best for the dog. What would be? It would be to take him out of the house right now without any delay. किसी भी प्रकार की देर न करते हुए उसको तुरंत लेके जाना. It was the best for the dog, he thought. In fact, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings, I marched out of the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. And look at what happened. As he advised the lady, suggested the lady that it had to be hospitalized for a fortnight. So the doctor, as he thought it had to be taken away, without delay. So what happened here? He marched out of the house. Yes, he marched out to the car. कार की ओर वो जाने लगा, carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. एक ब्लैंकेट में उसको रैप करके उसको अपनी कार की ओर लेके जाने लगा. And look at what was the condition of that lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. She followed the doctor wailing. वो डॉक्टर के पीछे पीछे आने लगी, रोते हुए, गिड़गिड़ाते हुए, वेलिंग, जोर जोर से रोते हुए. Yes, crying. She was literally bitterly crying. Literally bitterly crying. She was unable to live without the dog. वो डॉग के बिना नहीं रह सकती थी. Yes, and that's why she was wailing bitterly, but the doctor did not listen her. He marched out, he dashed out of the house to the car, carrying the dog in his hands. Yes, carrying the dog wrapped in the blanket. Yes, blanket में wrap करके उसको लेके जाने लगे. And then the entire staff, अब देखो उस समय क्या हुआ बाकी स्टाफ लोग. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowls, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Means look at the life of that dog. What a luxurious life he was living. Yes, what a luxurious life. He was having everything. Look at the entire staff of the house. Rose means woken up. सबके सब खड़े होने लगे. And maids rushed in and out. वहाँ की जो मेड्स जो थे सबके सब अंदर बाहर होने लगे. And bringing his day bed, night bed. अब उस डॉग के, अब ये हॉस्पिटल में जाने वाला था, सर्जरी में जाने वाला था. And that's why the maids of the house started running in and out and bringing his beds, day bed, night bed, then his favorite cushions, toys, rubber rings, breakfast bowls, lunch bowl, supper bowl, everything. Look at the life of that dog. What a luxurious life the dog was living. Yes, everything he was having. The lady was rich enough to give him a luxurious life. Yes, so then look at what happened. Realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff. So when the doctor saw the maids and the entire staff running in and out, bringing his his luxurious things, yes, belongings, when he found that they all are bringing his belongings, yes, so what happened here? He realized that his car would not hold all the stuff. इतना सामान था कि इसकी कार में आने वाला नहीं था. And that he realized, so he started to drive away. Means he started his car and ran away. भाग गए वहां से गाड़ी चालू करके वहां से भाग गए. Why? Because he realized that his car would not hold all the stuff that the maids and the servants were bringing. Yes, maids और servants जो चीजें ला रही थी उतनी चीजें उसके कार में आने वाली नहीं थी. That he realized, so he started to drive away. And then as I moved off, और जैसे ये दूर गए, move off करे, वहां से निकल गए. So Mrs. Pumphrey with a despairing cry threw an armful of the little coats through the window. She was so frustrated. She was so worried and sad. She was so sad that she with a despairing cry means frustrating. Yes, sorrowful मतलब दुख के साथ, निराशा के साथ, despair, okay, distress. She threw an armful of the little coats. मतलब बहुत सारे जो little coats उसके पूरे हाथों में रखे हुए थे. She threw them out of the window. खिड़की से उसने बाहर फेंक दिया. I looked in the mirror. Before I turned the corner of the drive, everybody was in tears. and there he looked in the mirror of the car. कार के मिरर में देखते हैं पीछे कि everybody means everyone who were there in the house was in tears. हर कोई उस डॉग के लिए रो रहा था. Everyone, mates, entire staff, the lady herself, they all were crying, they all were in tears. The doctor saw in his mirror. Yes, before turn the corner of the drive. उस स्ट्रीट का कॉर्नर टर्न करते समय उसने देखा कि all the people means the entire staff or the people who were there in the house were in tears. Then out of the road I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. Then while both were in the car, the doctor and the dog, what happened there? Out on the road means on the road. What happened there? The doctor glanced down at the pathetic dukhi. Yes, pathetic dukhi. Okay, so there he looked down at the pathetic little animal means here the pathetic little animal. These words are referred to the dog Tricky. Pathetic little animal dukhi. Yes, जिसके ऊपर हमें दया आ जाए, ऐसे जो दुखी होते हैं, that is called pathetic. So here the doctor glanced, looked at the dog. हल्की सी नजर उसकी तरफ डाली, ग्लांस किया, किसके तरफ? The pathetic little animal. And the dog was gasping means he was breathing with difficulty, means he was facing difficulty in breathing. gasping मतलब जो सांस लेने में जब दिक्कत होती है तो it is called gasping. So the dog was gasping on the seat by my side. इनके बाजू के सीट में जहाँ बैठा था वो गास्प कर रहा था, गास्प, बड़ी दिक्कत के साथ सांसें ले रहा था. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Okay, so here he says Tricky means here I patted the head means the doctor patted the head, उसके हेड को सहलाया, पैट किया, and the dog made a brave effort to wag his tail. wag his tail means पूंछ हिलाना. तो उसने बहुत हिम्मत के साथ अपनी पूंछ हिलाया. Yes, जैसे टैग करते हैं, वैग करते हैं. Then poor old lad, I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. And then doctor said to the dog, उस डॉग को कहते हैं, poor old lad, look at there. The doctor addressed the dog as the poor old lad. क्यों? क्योंकि वो बहुत बीमार था. And due to that, the doctor addressed him as a poor old lad and said he hadn't a kick. Kick means strength. Here kick means strength. Okay, kick, strength. He hadn't a strength in you means in him, but still look at there. But here the doctor said कि भले तुम्हें कोई ताकत ना हो, but I knew a cure for him. But here the doctor said कि मुझे पता है तुम्हें कैसे आराम कराना है. Yes, so there the doctor knew how to cure the dog. So this is what here the doctor's plan. Yes, the doctor had his own plan in advance that he made, and he stuck to his plan and took out the dog from the house of the old lady. And now what happens later on in the surgery we will see in our next video lecture. So keep watching my videos and enjoy the classes. Okay guys, so see you soon in our next video lecture. Bye bye.